We just walked into this unit, basement unit. There's some water here. We're gonna do some investigation to figure out where's the water coming from. Say it with me. Let's go take a look. Welcome back to the show. The name of the game is where's the water coming from? So first thought is the pipes. Do we see anything leaking out of the pipes? The joints all look dry to me. I don't see anything actively leaking here. Looks like there were some leaks, but nothing coming down. Hey Chris, where's the water coming from?
Where, oh where?
What do you think?
I think those is coming from the groundwater.
It's coming up from the ground, but there's a lot of
Or if there's pressure.
water right here. It looks like there has been water coming down those walls. So the question is, where's the water coming from? So these dark spots over here indicate that there could be some water coming through the wall. So that's definitely an option. We don't see anything actively dripping down. And what do we see over there? What's going on that side of the basement?
I feel like the water has come in and is receding back.
Okay. It's not stinky water, so that's good. It's not a sewage backup. Mm-hmm.
You got dripping all over the place.
Is that a drip?
Multiple drips, 3, 4 places. You come over here and shoot up, you can just see how rotten and saturated and wet and
I
moldy.
saw a drip.
moldy
Yeah,
all
you
the
see the
stairs.
water right
That's an
there.
active leak right there. So we have an active leak coming out of the unit above this right here. Definitely active drips, but it seems to be confined to this one area. So it seems to be multiple water entry points into this basement. So let's go find out where else the water's coming from. Okay, and obviously, if you can see right here, we have all kinds of mess, organic growth, bunch of stuff that looks like it had water in it if it doesn't currently have water in it. But obviously now on the ground, there's a ton of water here behind me. So there are at least 3 different entry points here, right here on these pipes, the other pipes, and the wall where the water's coming in. So that is the answer for where's the water coming from. Thanks for playing in this basement. We'll see you next time on Where's the Water Coming From? I know we just wrapped up that episode of Where's the Water's Coming From, but we walked outside and we found out even more answers to where the water's coming from. How many of our problems will be solved by proper downspouts and gutters?
So this right here
Yeah.
is right there, pretty much.
Right. So this right here is that back brick wall that all that water was butting up against. So look, we've got the downspout, the gutter up top from the roof. The water comes into the gutter, goes down the downspout, and comes right out here and sits right here and pools up against this wall. We can see that the downspout is ending right here. Normally you want to see that go 10 feet away from the property, but it's sitting up here. All that water is coming out, pushing up against the wall, going down the brick into the basement. So that is where the water's coming from.